coronavirus has health officials concerned with people being within close proximity of each other.
But what does that mean for those who live at the rescue mission? They are in close quarters, especially sleeping overnight.
First News reporter Rod Cowan was at the mission to find out about the changes there. He joins us live in the studio with what he found out.
Yes, even the donors, volunteers, and other visitors to the mission now have new rules to follow. The rescue mission has implemented additional changes to help reduce the risk of spreading the coronavirus.
The first change is that anybody who is currently experiencing any kind of illness here in the mission, we require them to go to seek medical attention immediately.
6 people at the mission were diagnosed with an illness such as influenza, pink eye, and pneumonia, but no one has tested positive for the COVID virus. Residents and workers must have their temperature taken, and anyone with a temperature over 100.4 is barred from entry and must go to the hospital or a care center. Another change affects non-residents of the mission.
We stopped allowing any volunteers to come in, donors to come in, and folks that come in for tours and drop off donations as well. So we're ending that at least until April 13th.
Muckridge also tells us that hourly cleaning and disinfecting is taking place throughout the mission. Another new rule adopted today focuses on how the mission will take in new residents.
We've instituted a two-step process. So if somebody wants to come in, they are to give us a call and go through a phone interview process. And now the goal of the phone interview is to determine 2 things. First thing is if they are in actual need of emergency shelter.
Muckridge told me that the second part of the phone interview is to find out if they are experiencing any of the COVID-19 symptoms. The rescue mission also serves meals 3 times a day, and the general public now will get those meals as takeout.
Because we do breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the public as well. What we're doing there is we're not allowing public clients to come in and sit down for our meals like we normally do, but we are providing them meals to go.
Right now, there's about 110 residents at the mission, and according to the director's order from Governor DeWine, the mission is exempt from the rule that limits gatherings of over 100 people. And according to Muckridge, no public health officials have contacted the mission about limiting the number of people they can serve. Live in the studio, Rod Cowan, WKBN 27 First News at 10.